Hey YouTube, how you guys doing? Girls, guys, all of you. Anyway, what I thought I'd do today is show you how to make a sacrificial fence for your chop saw. As you can see, mine's a little worse for wear. And I decided, hey, since I'm gonna make one anyway, I figured I'd do a video and explain to you why I do this. I usually like to put about 3 inches here and 3.5 inches here, 3.5, 3.75. It doesn't really matter. But as you can see, I had to do a wider piece, so I had to cut these notches out in order to get this saw to come down. Actually, you're not supposed to go all the way through the board, but I did, and I have all kinds of cuts and I went all kinds of angles. And you like it to be about 30 inches long. This is about 24. And when you put these pieces together, make sure your bottom one's in front of this one. And also don't nail anywhere about 2 inches on the side, about 2 inches on the side, just in case something runs into your blade. I'm gonna use a 1x4, about 30 inches long. Let's go over to the table saw. Screw a bunch of screws in the back of this thing. Most chop saws have places for screws for this reason. To me, this is simply a way to solve a problem that we've all faced at one time or another. And if you haven't faced it yet, and you have a chop saw, you probably will, especially if you're making frames. It makes framework real easy. And even, well, that's all for this episode. If you like what I did, give me a like. Hey, if you want to see some more, subscribe. I'm just getting started. I haven't been around here yet. Support our troops and thank our veterans for his service. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.